Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button. In today's video, I'll be making chicken Alfredo lasagna rolls. So yes, I'm using the chicken in a bag. It's honey roasted flavor. So after I season the chicken, I'm just gonna mix it up. Then I'm gonna cut it into smaller pieces. So once the chicken was done, I went ahead and started the noodles. Once the noodles was done, I went ahead and started the sauce. I'm using Parmesan cheese and mozzarella and provolone. So I'm using heavy cream, and then I added seasoning. So now I'm adding some Parmesan cheese, and then once the mixture got thick, I added some spinach. Now that I'm done with the sauce, I'm just going to put that aside, and I'm going to start on the lasagna rolls. So I'm adding the sauce first, then I'm going to add some mozzarella cheese, and then some chicken, and then I'm just going to roll it up. So before I started rolling it up, I got a pan and put some sauce at the bottom so the noodles don't stick to the pan. After I finish rolling it up, I'm just going to show you how it looks, and then I'm going to be putting it in a pan, and then I'm going to continue with the rest of them. Now that they all done, I'm just going to be adding the rest of the sauce on top, and then I'm going to be adding some Parmesan cheese on top and put it in the oven, and there you go, it's all done.